In this video, I'll show you how to use a Netflix account in different countries safely. And before we begin, make sure you have NordVPN ready, because it's one of the most trusted and reliable VPNs for Netflix. And you'll find the official NordVPN link in the description, so you can go directly to the site using that link. The reason I recommend NordVPN from the start is because it works smoothly with Netflix libraries around the world and also keeps your connection private, which is important when you're accessing Netflix from different countries. Once NordVPN is installed on your device, open the app and sign in to your account. NordVPN works on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, smart TVs, and most streaming devices, so the steps are almost the same everywhere. After logging in, you'll see a list of countries inside the app. Simply select the country whose Netflix library you want to access, such as the United States, and tap or click Connect. Give it a few seconds until the VPN shows that you're fully connected. While this is happening, NordVPN encrypts your internet traffic, which helps keep your Netflix activity secure and private. Now, before opening Netflix, make sure the Netflix app or website is completely closed. If you're on a phone, swipe it away so it's not running in the background. If you're on a browser, close all Netflix tabs. This step is important because it forces Netflix to refresh your location when you open it again. Once that's done, open Netflix using the official app or website. Because your NordVPN connection is active and set to a different country, Netflix will automatically show you that country's library. You'll notice new shows and movies that weren't available before, and you can play them just like normal. There's no need to change your Netflix plan or create a new account, since your existing subscription works the same way. When you're finished watching, you can disconnect NordVPN or switch back to your home country if you want to see your local Netflix library again. For a safe, reliable, and easy way to use a Netflix account in different countries, NordVPN is the option I recommend. It offers fast streaming speeds, strong privacy protection, and useful features like a kill switch and threat protection for extra safety. Check out the NordVPN link in the description to get started.